Capricorn, Capricorn! Kamusta po ang mga Capricorn OFW? Kamusta po kayong lahat dyan? OFW din po ako. So, weekend. So, sana mag-connect at magsaya tayo ngayong weekend. Relax tayo. Pagod ako din itong week na to. Very busy. So, busy is good. Meaning may trabaho. Tama po ba? So, Capricorn. Tama, Capricorn sinabi ko no August 8 to 14. Chine-check ko, meron kasi akong listahan na para hindi ako magkamali. So, Capricorn tayo, August 8 to 14 reading. Shout out ang mga OFW. Kwentuhan po tayo. Tingnan natin ang energy, August 8 to 14. Ilipat ko yung aking notes sa harapan. Capricorn. Yes, Capricorn. So, kamusta po yung weekend? Ano ang plano? Pupunta pa tayo mamaya sa mall, magkakape-kape with the friends, or just maglalaba. Alam ko yan. Pinagdaanan ko po yan. So, I can connect. I can relate. Oops, madami siya. So, yung energy natin, ayaw kong kunin yun. Oops. Okay. Ano yung balitang darating? Merong hinihintay. May hinihintay. O ikaw ang magdadala ng balita. Capricorn. Mga masisipag na Capricorn. Marami kong mga Capricorn na mga nakilala din sa abroad. Mga masayang kasama. Meron kang niluluto. Alam mo yung talent mo. Are you in love or waiting for the message? Or love can be in all different form. Ito hindi po ito yung relasyon na love na ano. Well, lahat po relationship pero promotion. Sometimes we're looking for that love to show the appreciation by get the promotion that we want, or the salary increase, or the higher position, or even get the job or move to another country. There's a connection for that, and that's what keeping you busy in the past few days. You're using all your tools. Parang meron kang ginagayuma yata. Well, I call it gayuma in a different way. When you are praying, you are asking whoever you're praying for na ay sana ganito ganyan. Tama po ba? Walang no holds barred, very raw. Tama po ba? If you wish something, you work hard for it, as long as it's a positive vibe, and then it's gonna let the universe take care of its course. Ayan yung tools mo eh. So, Capricorn, ano ba ito? Ito ba yung mga nagtatrabaho sa garment or sa fashion or sa manufacturing? Capricorn, sumusungaw yung idea. Mukhang masagana sa idea si Capricorn ngayon. Oh, galit na galit yung baraha, mainit ang ulo. Oops. Very lively si Capricorn. Very lively Capricorn. Gusto mong madalian nito Matagal nang niluto ito eh. Pinaglalaban mo talaga siya. Alam mo na, naniniwala ka doon kung ano man yun. Kung pag-ibig ay talagang magrerenta ka ng choir para sabihin sa kayo na ay ikaw talaga ang aking iniirog or aking Correct? Capricorn, very intense. Matagal na trabaho to, matagal mo na tong ginagawa, matagal mo na tong pinagtuunan ng pansin, pinaglagasan ng kung ano man yung malalaga sa bunbunan or effort. This is a lot of effort, practical effort that you have to fought for it. Tama ba, Capricorn? Darating na siya. It is love, Capricorn. Love, or you're looking for attention. Tignan natin yung storyline. Ano yung niluluto mo? Ano yung niluluto mo, Capricorn? Ano yung niluluto ni Capricorn? Kumbaga sa okay. Alam niyo yung trend na sustainability, okay? Sustainability yung mga shops palit ng disenyo yan. Okay? I think I know what who I'm referring to, yung famous na Japanese na brand ng kamiseta. That's how they survive in this competitive market, in this retail. Okay, they innovate. This is about innovation. Oh wow, Capricorn, ano yung ini-innovate mo? Ano yung ini-innovate mo? Are you making another application that can be another unicorn? Yes, you are the star. Okay, nandiyan na siya. Matagal mo na itong it started in a very small idea, practical. This is career related, I can see here. Kung sino man tong si Capricorn na ito, are you a influencer? Are you are a magician basically. You are a magician. That's what you're doing. You're doing your alchemy. Yan. Ito yung mga naka-invento ng antivirus during the COVID period. Correct? And sino kaya itong ano na ito? And dumating na siya and you fought for it. It's not something easy. I know. That's the personality of the Capricorn. You know how difficult it is to process. I know people now who are in this manufacturing industry, who are in design and making clothes, and when they go to a subcontractor, and ito na yung design galing sa ano yan sa design team, whoever coming from another world, a country, sorry. So it will take them at least 6 months finding the materials, finding etc. down the line hanggang sa botones, hanggang sa tela at color palette. That's how it is. That's how I saw it here. So I can see this thread. Kaya biglang pumasok sa akin yung sabi ko paggawa ng manufacturing. It's not only about making clothes. It's a process that is very 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 fine. Mga chips, mga paggawa ng pag-develop niyan, ganun ka yan, ganun ka tedious for somebody who doesn't understand it. Ano ko lang i-share ko because I know the pain of that kind. You're gonna work very long hours. It's a stressful. You will parang kabayo yan trabahong kabayo at maliit lang ang sweldo. So, pasensya po. Dahil sa mga OFW. Ayan, tama po ba? Kasama na rin yan But ito, kung ano man yung idea na ito, maliit is not something about the salary. High-paying job yan. Malaking magpasweldo yan maski na sa mga Pilipino OFW. Patas sila. So, darating na yan. If that's the love that you are looking for, na maging star ka, I don't see any. This is not love na pag-ibig na boyfriend, girlfriend, or you're lacking love. I see the black and the white. The black and the white is the stallion na nandun sa the chariot. And that gonna bring you to that star mode. Star ka dito, Capricorn. That's gonna bring you to the star mode because you 7, you just stand up on your ground. Basically, ikaw, you believe in, you fight for what you believe in. That's what Capricorn do. Ito na siya, oh. Ayaw mo nang, natapos na yung time na kikimi-kimi. And it's time for you to charge. Take charge. Own it, Capricorn. Own it because you know that you, buti ko na masabi yung F word. You own it because that's you. That's basically who you are. Oh, very exciting ito. Ikaw lang yata yung magandang reading for August 8 to 14, Capricorn. I'm not saying na yung ibang reading hindi maganda. Very very particular ito sa selective group of people. Ikaw yan oh. Underpaid, overwork. Pero it comes from very small. It's a small idea. It doesn't mean that you're underpaid or overworked, but that idea of yours is worth fighting for. That's what it says here. And you already have that. You're nakarating ka na sa stage na yun. And you're gonna take charge. You said that, get the way, get out of my way kind of thing. Okay? Because I have the magician tool. I have all. So, well, babato ko sa inyo yan. Okay? And I don't think you even need love here. You are looking for that a little. There is, but you don't see it. You don't feel it because you're so focused on your alchemy here and fighting. Yes, very nice. August 8 to 14, Capricorn. Very nice. So, sana all. Okay, so see you again. Enjoy. Thank you, Capricorn.